Hey there, everyone. I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Just doing a little Monday morning or Monday afternoon now check-in with you. So we've got a couple things here that came into the shop this morning. Here, we're actually working on this hood here for a new Chevy pickup. The customer just actually purchased this, and unfortunately had some snow and ice actually fall on it from the little bit of accumulation we had a while back here. So let's go ahead and flip this camera around here and kind of show you what we are looking at today. So it's got basically a pretty long string of dents here that came in, and it's even got one down up and over here. So that one right there, kind of all these going all over the place. So got banged up pretty good, but we're going to go ahead and take out all of this damage on this hood here using the paintless dent repair method, so the customer's not looking at doing any paint or body work or Bondo or anything like that on their hood here. So that's pretty standard stuff, you know, hail damage, storm damage, all that kind of stuff. We fix all that stuff. But one thing we ran across this morning, we're actually getting started on this claim process, or this storm damage Durango behind us. This is a 2016. This is really interesting. So we're going to actually show you that this vehicle has 2 batteries in it for all of the components on board of it. But also, where is the battery? Okay, so a lot of people just basically don't know. Not a lot of them just assume it's underneath the engine, or in the engine compartment or under the hood here, which obviously that's the first place we go to. But this one actually is located under the passenger seat. I know, right? It seems weird. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and get inside here. So we actually have to go ahead and roll the front seat forward so we can gain access to it underneath the compartment here. So let's go ahead and flip this camera around here. I'll kind of show you. So here's just basically getting in the vehicle. They've got a rear entertainment center for their kids and stuff. But basically this little flap right here, you just pull this up. And now you have full access to the battery compartment on this vehicle. So got basically an auxiliary battery here, as well as the full-size battery. We've already got the components, or the connections disconnected here. So basically we have to go ahead and gain access to the battery compartment here in order to disconnect the battery before we start doing any types of repairs on this vehicle. Obviously we want to have the windows rolled down, all the electrical components in the preferred area for us, so the windows are down so we can gain access to the roof here that we're going to actually be repairing some storm damage on. So just kind of to show you what exactly. Now I got to wipe it off, but we've got quite a bit of bigger damage here that we're going to be fixing, again using paintless dent repair. I think that's the biggest dent on the hood here that we're actually fixing. It's got a couple other pretty good little shots here in it. Unfortunately, I didn't I forgot to wipe it off before I started shooting this video. But also we're going to kind of show you the roof here. So it's going to be kind of hard to see, I think, without any of the lights up here. But it's got quite a bit of damage, kind of all over. So right between them ribs there, you can see. So, hey, what's up, Kent? So anyways, so we're going ahead and we're going to start taking the headliner down on this vehicle here, as well as taking the hood off of it as well as starting on this other hood over here that we've got for the Chevy pickup. Anyways, that was just kind of something interesting. Like I said, I'd always heard about vehicles having multiple batteries in them and stuff like that. So that's not anything really that new, but to have it under the passenger seat seemed really odd. I'm not really sure. It looks to me like in order to get that big battery out of there, either you got to pull the small in order to take the big one out, or you actually have to pull maybe potentially the seat up because of the allowed access point that they have here. I mean, getting that big old thing out of there definitely would be a little bit tight. And, you know, with all these exposed terminals on the top here, you don't want to be touching any of the metal framing on the bottom side of this seat, which is, you know, all over the place, you know, all their electrical components as well. So anyways, so I figured I'd just check in this Monday morning with everyone here. You know, again, we're continuing to fix storm-related and like whether it be hail, ice, snow, all that kind of damage. And we've actually got another vehicle out here that we're going to be. We just got final approval from the insurance company on another hail damage claim. So, anyways, I'll come and keep you posted through the week on how we're doing with all the progress on these vehicles. And you know, if you need anything, any type of paintless dent repair services done on your own vehicle, including any type of storm damage, door dings, minor collision damage, all that kind of stuff, feel free to go ahead and give us a call or text us at 605-595-4061. We'd be happy to chat with you about your damage and set you up with an appointment time with us. So anyways, hope you have a great Monday, and take care, guys. We'll see you on the next one.